Hi, and welcome to another video with Safety Gear Pro. I'm your model Poya Sek, and for today's video, I will be showing you how to prevent fogging on your safety glasses. If you work in an environment where your safety glasses do fog up regularly, pay attention to these next methods so that you can find solutions to this issue. The first method to prevent anti-fogging on your safety glasses is an anti-fog coating. This can be applied directly to the lenses of your safety glasses. Some glasses manufacturers sell this product, which is typically sprayed on the lenses. These sprays work by reducing the surface tension on lenses and thus reducing the ability of H2O molecules to cling. 2. Simply avoid environments where you know your safety glasses will fog up. For many people, their lenses fog up when they experience a sudden change in the temperature of their environment. If you avoid such changes, you might avoid foggy glasses too. For the third and the last method is to simply invest in an anti-fog safety glasses, a new pair, which we do carry on our product line. The best anti-fog safety glasses are specially designed with a formula similar to the one used in AntiFog sprays. Rather than requiring manual application of this formula, though, anti-fog safety goggles are made with lenses that are already coated in it. This eliminates the inconvenience of spraying your lenses with a solution every time they fog up, and it prevents the problem from happening in the first place. I hope this video was helpful to you in finding a solution to safety glasses that fog up. For more information and products, please visit safetygearpro.com.